If your Stripe transfer failed, it can be frustrating. Your money didn't reach your bank account, and you're left wondering why. Yeah, this usually happens because of incorrect bank details, verification issues, or compliance holds. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix Stripe transfer failures step by step. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and check the status of the transfer. Look for pending, failed, or in review notices to understand the reason. Double check your bank account number, routing number, and account type. Even a small typo can cause a transfer to fail. Ensure your Stripe account is fully verified. Unverified accounts or missing documents can block transfers. Sometimes Stripe places holds for security, compliance, or policy reasons. Check your dashboard for alerts and resolve any issues listed. Once everything is verified, retry the transfer. Network or temporary bank issues can sometimes cause one-time failures. If the transfer still fails, contact Stripe support. They can investigate the transaction and help ensure the money reaches your bank. And that's it. Following these steps usually resolves Stripe transfer failures so your payouts go through smoothly. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.